Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so in this question, we want to find the domain and range for the described functions. So A, the function that assigns each non-negative integer its last digit. So the function assigns to each non-negative integer, which means that the function takes non-negative integers. So the non-negative integers are 0, 1, 2, and blah, blah, blah. So these are your natural numbers. Now, it assigns it to the last digit. Now, digits can only be 0, 1, 2, blah, 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 and 9, because these are your digits. So then this is your domain, and this is your range. B, the function that assigns the next largest integer to a positive integer. So it assigns the next largest integer. So that is the range, because it's assigning it. So it's accepting a positive integer. Now, a positive integer is just simply 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. So notice that 0 is not an integer. 0 is not positive, it's nothing. So this is just your natural numbers minus by the 0. So another way to write this is some people write it as n plus, being all the positive integers, or natural numbers. Now it assigns it the next largest number. So the next largest number of 1 is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, and blah, blah, blah. So your range is going to be 2, 3, 4, and whatever. So this is your natural numbers minus by the set of 0 and 1. And then this is your domain, and this is your range. C, the function that assigns the bit strings the number of 1 bit in the string. So then your domain, so a bit is just simply 0 or 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and whatever. These are just your bits. And it assigns the bit string the number of 1 bits. So it just counts the number of 1s in the string. So it'll just be 0, 1, 2, and blah, blah, blah. So these are your natural numbers. And this is your range, and this is your domain. Now finally, D, the function that assigns the bit string the number of bits in the string. So once again, your domain is just simply 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and whatever, with your range being the set of all possible number of bits in the string. So the number of bits is always a positive number, because each string contains, now since each string contains at least 1 bit, it must be 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. So these are your natural numbers minus by the set of 0.